Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to see who tagged or mentioned you on an Instagram story. This method is quick and works on the latest Instagram update. First, open your Instagram app and make sure it's updated to the newest version. This helps avoid missing features or notifications. Now, go to your Instagram home screen. At the top right corner, tap on the heart icon to open your notifications section. Here, you'll see all your recent Instagram activity, including likes, follows, mentions, and story tags. If someone tagged you in their Instagram story, you'll see a notification saying they mentioned you in a story. Simply tap on that notification, and Instagram will open the story where you were tagged. If the story has expired, the notification may disappear after some time, so it's best to check it quickly. And that's how to see who tagged you on Instagram story in 2026. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tutorial videos and social media tips.